Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Jamaica Police Cooperative Credit Union, JPCCU, has created a structured financing arrangement with Money Masters acting as a lead broker. The private share offer opens tomorrow and closes on January 26, 2021. The credit union is seeking to raise $110 million. It says the funds will be used to expand its operations and improve technology for debit card and online banking. Now, JPCCU General Manager Ray Palmer explained the benefits.
The JPCCU deferred share offer provides an attractive investment option to members, while at the same time allowing the credit union to upgrade its technology and grow. Furthermore, members will have a larger pool of funds to borrow from, creating yet another incredible benefit. JPCCU members are therefore encouraged to take advantage of this lucrative investment offer to benefit from the fixed interest rate of 7%, an attractive return which significantly surpasses the inflation rate.
In the meantime, Money Masters President Claudette Crooks noted that the offer will be particularly helpful for investors interested in consistent payouts.
Dividends, or as we more commonly know it as, interest or coupon is payable every 3 months. That is, every 90 days you will get a cash flow. So it's very good for persons who are retired, persons who need a constant cash flow. So over the year, you would be getting 4 cash flows.
The Senate has passed the Shipping Amendment Act. Under the new legislation, a wider definition of seafarer has been adopted to cover any person engaged by or on behalf of the owner of a ship, including hospitality workers. Leader of Government Business in the Upper House, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, who piloted the bill, noted that before now, only the crew responsible for navigating vessels were accorded certain rights. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $144.24. The Canadian dollar sold for $112.48. The pound is going for $191.04, while the euro closed at $177.12. The JC Index lost 2,802 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 40 points. Among the winners were Mailpac, CAC 2000, G West Corporation, Dolphin Cove and Dermont Trading. On the losing side, SSL Venture Capital, Fosrich, Margaritaville US dollar shares, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, and Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares. And that's the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.